My name is Robbie Ostro. I've been at Vanta for 3.5 years now. I was the first employee, first engineer, and now I am the engineering manager on the platform team. Vanta is about automated security and compliance. At the end of the day, historically, how security has worked is that a company will get a piece of paper once a year that an auditor looks at and says, "You guys seem secure, that's great." We check all the same stuff that an auditor would check, but instead of checking 1% of stuff once a year, we check 100% of stuff once an hour. And so we're trying to codify every little bit of security knowledge that not everybody might know and allow you to apply it to any system, ensuring that you're always following best practices. The most important thing to us is being able to iterate quickly, both on the number of features and on the number of integrations that we build. And MongoDB has been really instrumental in allowing us to develop quickly, build quickly, and ensure that we ship quickly without any downtime. We originally chose MongoDB because it was a perfect tool with which we could prototype. But as we grew, we realized it was also the perfect tool that was able to scale with us. One thing that MongoDB for Startups helped us with was actually sending us a consultant who was able to help optimize the way we were using MongoDB and giving us a report with excellent advice across the board. We still refer to that report all the time. One awesome thing about MongoDB Atlas is it has a feature called VPC peering, which allows us to take our VPC, communicate with our database cluster while not exposing any extra cruft to the world.
One key benefit is MongoDB's API abstractions tend to feel like JavaScript and JSON objects, and we really enjoy trying to make our entire stack feel and look like TypeScript. So MongoDB cosmetically, aesthetically, and even programmatically feels like working with JavaScript the whole way down. I really appreciate that MongoDB Atlas allows for fine-grained roles using AWS IAM permissions. I'm particularly excited that MongoDB Compass now also supports authenticated Compass using AWS IAM roles. So we can now leverage all of our SSO work on AWS for fine-grained access to MongoDB.
Whenever we make changes or whenever we need to think about how we want to model our information, MongoDB has the flexibility to let us make changes on the fly and to speed up our development process.
Here at Vanta, we're securing the internet and making sure that the incentives are aligned such that everybody wants to do so. We're hiring quickly and looking for great new engineers, so give us a call if you're interested.